Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. This is the Orgie Lube Tube Human Lube, a clear and ultra-slick, water-based, intimate gel that mimics the texture and viscosity of the sexual lubrication fluids and saliva. Formulated with natural brown seaweed and lavender extracts combined with other ingredients, it also promotes skin smoothing. It is long-lasting, non-sticky, easy to clean and wash out. And it is very simple to use. Apply a generous amount to the intended area and reapply as it feels better for you. With Lube Tube Human Lube, you get more than a regular intimate gel. It feels real. Orgie Lube Tube is a vast range of best-selling, well-crafted products that's worth your time to get known through these series of Orgie Company videos. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.